Hello everyone, welcome to Mishi. I'm here with a new tutorial of decorating towels. Your towels are your towels can look more beautiful if you decorate them with something made of crochet. So these are the small motifs I have made, and this motifs tutorial is already in my on my channel. You can also see in the link below in the description box of this circle motif. So after finishing, I have attached 3 of them, and one I am going to show you how to attach. So you simply have to keep it like this. The distance, you have to be careful that the distance has to be equal. And what you have to do is how to attach it. You simply have to keep it on its place and hold it like this. You will be needing a scissor in which I have already weaved my yarn, and from the back side you have to put your yarn like this. And now what you have to do, take very small stitches at the in the front, and at the back we are going to take the big stitches. See, in this way you are going to attach all the way around. You can turn your work, you can do it as in the way which is convenient for you. You can also stick with the glue, but it won't be so tidy, and the glue, it is going to stiff your product, and it won't be looking so neat and nice. So that's why I am using thread and needle to attach my motif on the towel. As it is towel, so it is thick, so we have to be a bit strong with it to go through it. In this way we are going to go all the way around. And it's done. We are here to the end. We are going to take our needle downside at the back side and tie a knot over here. How to do that? You simply have to pass your yarn 2 times, and for when we are on the 3rd time, you simply have to do it like this. And this is the knot tied, and we are going to cut. So all our motifs are attached, and you can see at the back it looks like this, and in front we have attached all the 4 motifs. Now how to attach the tassels to it? You simply have to make the tassels and attach at the distance, whatever distance you like. So again, what you'll be needing a needle. You simply have to, and if you want the tutorial of the tassels, you can see in the description box below. There are the tutorials, and you have to just weave it and put it down the towel. Now hold it like this and tie a knot. Once you have tied a knot, tie another one to secure it properly. Now what you have to do with these ends, if you are going to cut it, they are going to be seen. So here is a trick to hide your tails. Take your tapestry needle, weave these ends, and what you have to do now, Look carefully. You simply have to put it inside and bring it out from one of this, and here you go. You have to simply cut this extra yarn, and here you go. Your tassel is attached. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you found it useful. Do subscribe to my channel, do share my videos, and also comment below. Thank you so much. Have a great day.